Alright, here's the Mad Mini miniature old school slab amplifier. It is completely finished. Paint's still drying on it a little bit. There she is. And I put just a cheapo lighter next to it just to show. It's got a little plexiglass window that shows the inside. In the next video, I will show you a demonstration of using this little Bluetooth amplifier. Anyway, the project is complete. I will be selling these on my eBay store for $49.99 starting off. Price will reduce after I get things up and running and mass producing these little puppies. They don't just have to be used for RC car audio. They can be used for your porch. They can be used in your house as like little stereos or whatever. I just thought it'd be cool to replicate an old school amplifier type of look with the old fins, and I painted it in Tuscan teal. This one will be on my eBay later in the next day or so. Like I said, it'll be $49.99 for this. This is one of one. The other ones I will make sure, I'm going to do some designing in the window area, so this one of one will remain the only one of its kind. And I will do something in the window area to give it a little bit more. I wasn't thinking. I could have added like some type of decorative work in the window area. But anyway, there it is. Project completed. Miniature slab amp.